This video was brought to you by Markus Bil, Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. While we're back home, let's take a look at the result. You see that the ID4 Pro 4Motion actually did it faster than GTX, despite that the GTX had more horsepower. And then GTX, okay, was a little bit heavier, but I think one explanation is that the GTX had 21-inch wheels, whereas this car had 19-inch. So in general, the lighter wheels you have, the better the acceleration is. But still very impressive. Let me see. And when it comes to times, you see it was faster off the line, and then it was faster, well, actually until 30 kilometers per hour. Then it was actually slower, but then at one point it caught up here at the very end. Okay, so I suspect that it has a flatter power curve than the GTX. And then and then when it comes to noise, you see here, again we can compare it against some of the other ID cars. We have ID5 GTX here, also 21-inch versus 19. So 19-inch, man, they make wonders. Yeah, I'm not a fan of low-profile tires, so this is good, but it doesn't seem like there is an improvement in noise versus previous generation. So I assume that if we have 21-inch wheels here in the Pro, whatever, 2024 model, we should get the same level as the ID5 GTX, for example. And this time I also tested braking, and then very good, despite that we don't have that wide tires, you see. 235 front and 255 rear, but very good result compared to many of the other cars here on the top. So really on the top, I haven't tested that many cars, but you can see that it is way above average. So there you guys have it, the ID4, the new one. Some improvements, at least when it comes to power. Braking, I think it's the same. I'm guessing it should be the same. And also noise, more or less the same. But there are some small improvements here and there. So yeah, and is it worth the upgrade? Absolutely, because the charging is so much better now than before. And actually, I think also the cooling is way better now than before. So that's gonna be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.